Before installing the 100% save, you must save a work progress like in all slot you need to save. Once you've done all the slots, now you can close the game. I'll show you guys how to install the 100% save. Check my video description for this site link. Download this WinX64 zip and profiles zip. Once you downloaded these two, check my video description for this 100% save file. Extract all these. Open the WinX64 and open the man.juice. Open the exe file. Check more info and select run anyway option. Now here you can able to see profiles folder will be created. Go back to downloads and open this profiles. Copy this RE9, paste it in this profiles folder. Once you done this, click on the drop down and select the RE9 profile. Go back to downloads and open the 100% save. In input folder path, select this folder icon and navigate to 100% save folder. Select the folder and select open. Select one of these file and select open option. Now once you done this, check my video description for this user ID input. Copy and paste it in user ID input. In user ID output, you need to paste your user ID. To do this, right click on the game and select open file location. Scroll up and open this Steam settings. Open config user.ini. Copy this Steam ID. Paste it in user ID output and select resign all. All tasks completed. Now go back to downloads. Open the Wins X64 juice output folder. Open this folder, open random number, and here everything is changed to your user ID. Press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. And now go back to app data, open roaming. Open this GSE saves, random number, remote, Win64. And this is your game progress. Before dropping this backup, right click and select new and select folder. Name this backup and then drop all these files inside this backup folder and drag up all these converted file inside this location and launch the game. Once you are in game, go to main story, load game, and as you can see all save files is working. I'm gonna select one of these files and show you guys it's working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.